Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create multiple AI videos with Hailuo AI. First, open Hailuo AI and decide what type of videos you want to create. If you're making content for YouTube, Shorts, or social media, it's helpful to plan several video ideas before you begin. Start by creating your first prompt. Describe the subject, action, environment, lighting, and camera movement clearly. Then generate the video and wait for Hailuo AI to finish. Once the first video is ready, review it and make sure the result matches your idea. If you're creating a series of related videos, keep important character descriptions, visual styles, and reference images consistent. Now create your next prompt. You can change the scene, action, or location while keeping the main style consistent. Generate the next video and repeat the same process. For better organization, give each generated clip a clear name or save them in separate folders on your computer. This makes it easier to find the right clips later. If a result isn't good enough, don't be afraid to generate another version. Small changes to the prompt can produce a different result. After creating all your videos, you can combine or edit them using your preferred video editor. Add captions, voiceover, music, transitions, or other elements as needed.